Hey guys, Mark from Lister Motorsports. Again, I'm driving this beautiful 90 Ford F-150 Lariat short bed, and we're gonna go for a little ride, and I'm just gonna show you guys a few more things that I may have left out on my last video. Nice day today here in North Carolina. This aftermarket stereo, I don't want to blast it and get a copyright strike or something. The AC blows ice cold air. It's 92 degrees here today. So, okay, we're gonna pull out here. 5.0 V8, and it's heavy duty four-wheel drive, as you can see. She shifts beautifully. Got a great sound too. I didn't close my door. That would help. Okay, here we go. Wonder where the air noise was coming from. Watch the cops here. Going down the road, get a sandwich, come back. Great riding truck. This thing has no rust on it, so you're not going to get any squeaks or rattles or anything like that. Goes down the road straight, no issues. Oh, Corvette with a blower on it. Now, if you like what you see, give me a yell. 704-508-2150. Any questions? Give me a call. Okay, guys, I'm going to end this one here.